Adventures of the day. We have a yoke off an 1356 Borg Werner transfer case. Front output yoke. It broke it. Trying to pull a friend of mine out of a mud hole. And apparently it was already cracked, and I'll show you that here in a second. But we're going to weld it back up because apparently they don't make them anywhere, ever, at all. And if they do have them, they're like $300. No. So yeah, this bad boy was cracked before. You can see where the old brake was, which is that, which I've already heated it, so I ain't about to touch it, but that's old brake, and that's where it broke the other day. And there's the piece that broke out. Gosh dang it. But that old boy sits in there, just like so. You just got to bevel everything out and weld it back in place, and then we'll have a working yoke once again for about the cost of nickel rods, 99% nickel rod. The reason we took the butane torch and heated that bad boy up is because this stuff's porous. That side used to look like this side, but there's grease embedded down inside of here. So whenever you cook it, it brings it all to the surface. Then you can use a good old-fashioned Dremel with a wire brush and clean them up. Once you get all that cooked to the surface, you can just brush it off and it all looks brand new again. And then you just do that same thing to this piece here and it'll cook all the grime to the surface. And then you just brush it off. Then you're ready to put it in place, grind it out, weld it up, install it, haul ass. All for about 20 bucks, if you can weld. Now that you got your pieces all wham shiny and wham shiny, you're gonna bevel that guy and you're gonna tack it in right here. Then you're gonna weld it solid on that side. Then you're gonna gouge out the back side. You weld it solid on the back side, and then grind everything back to fit the universal joint again, and you are good to go. Yes. First pass is in place on the back side. When you're welding that thing, you want to shove that nickel rod down into there and then ping the shit out of it. Don't try to weld all of it at one time. Keep your temperature at a minimum, because once you get cast iron too hot, it just turns into a pound cake. What I mean by you don't want to get it too hot is you want to be able to pick it up after about 10 minutes after welding. The weld has been put in on that one. Then on the back side where you finalize the weld, you want to grind it out till you no longer see crack. That means you're down to the good metal on the back side again. Then you just fill it up, then you'll go back through on this crack, you'll do the same thing, and you'll fill that. And there you have it, the welded product. Focus in, you piece of shit. Yeah! Now I just got to take that bad boy right there and cope everything back in the way it's supposed to be and just match the original casting on it, and then, yes. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The final product. Everything's coat back in, everything looks just like it's supposed to, and the best part, bang, fitment. Fitment.
Hey Snapchat.
Hello.